Hey everybody. Well, I got another little project I'm going to get working on here, and I got everything pretty much cut out. I think all the pieces are cut out. What I'm going to do is make a 3-point receiver hitch and tow bar type system. So I had most of the metal, the scrap, in my scrap pile that I needed and everything, and had to get the 3-point pins. And so what I did on the 3-point pins is I put them on this 1/4 inch or 3/8 steel, and then drilled the hole, bolted them on. I'm going to take and tack this on the inside, tack this nut onto the inside of that. And these are going to be fully welded around here. And of course this will, piece will sit up here. There's the receiver. Here's the top for the 3rd point. That'll go on top. Gussets. Take this piece of angle, will go on the bottom, and an angle bottom of this piece here to strengthen that. Then gussets on the sides. Should all work. We get this thing all tacked together, and of course I'm going to put some chain hooks on there to so you can hook chains for pulling stuff. Maybe some loops, whatever. We'll figure all that out once I get the main thing all tacked together, and we'll get her tacked together, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, I'll be back at you. Well, I'm back. Got her all welded up, got it painted, and she's ready to go. So what I'm probably gonna do is, as I made the hooks, the chain hooks, probably just gonna bolt them to the sides somewhere on here, maybe. But put them on there like that. But that's where she's at. So, well, remember everybody, don't ever run out of projects. Take care, everybody.